track fleet preventive maintenance, regular safety inspections, insurance renewals, and return of rented vehicles.
Fleet fuel consumption. Fleet expenses. Driver schedule and travel performance. Start by defining your settings. Enter vehicle data. Driver data. Vehicle driver assignment data. Enter fuel log. Maintenance log. Expense log. And any incident data. The Fleet KPIs report shows number of vehicles, average vehicle age, and number of total incidents. For each vehicle, age, last logged mileage, and number of incidents. Insurance renewal date and expiration status. Next preventive maintenance mileage and expiration status. Regular safety inspection expiration date and status. Rented vehicle return date and expiration status. The Fuel Consumption KPIs report shows fuel total cost, average cost per mile, and average miles per fuel unit, gallon, liter, kilowatt, etc. Fuel consumption analysis by vehicle type shows fuel total cost, average cost per mile, and average miles per fuel unit. It also shows vehicle types, with fuel KPIs above or below the fleet average. Fuel consumption analysis by fuel station and fuel stations with fuel KPIs above or below the fleet average. Fuel consumption analysis by vehicle and vehicles with fuel KPIs above or below the fleet average. Monthly traveled distance, consumed fuel units, and fuel cost. The Fleet Management Cost Analysis report shows total cost of ownership, average vehicle cost, and the average cost per mile of driving a vehicle. Expense by type, repairs, fuel, tires, maintenance, etc. Expense by type of vehicle, compared to number of vehicles of the same type. Monthly fleet costs. Expense by vehicle, total costs, repairs, fuel, tires, maintenance, etc. The driver schedule and KPIs report shows driver's total traveled distance, registered accidents, and driving license renewal date. Driver vehicle assignments, overtime, and assigned route.